Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss in find out in the Python version 2 Python file only. So here for that I am importing the one built-in module. The module name is sits module. So I import sits model. So this is the sits is the built-in model. So whenever we install in the Python software in our machine only, this model is from automatically because of this is a built-in model only. So no need to manually install in the this module only. So if you any modules or if you want to utilize in our file only, then through import command only we can use the another module only in our file only. So here also sample is our file only. This is the .py is the file extension only. If you now our motto is we want to find out in the Python version, which version we are currently using in our PC only. For that I am using the print xys dot VGRS version, Python version. So that means when this is the module name, this is the variable name. So this version variable is defined the inside the six module only. So here also we are importing the six module in our current file only. That's why we are using the module name dot variable name only. And also we are displaying the Python version. For that we are using the print statement only. So now we run this file only, it will display the Python version. So if you clearly observe that in my machine only currently I'm using the Python version is 3.10.9 only. So like that way you can find out in the Python version through Python file only. Thank you friends.